All right, Danny.
19.
Danny, how you feeling about this right now? Next move?
Coils.
Yeah,
Washers.
I think so. Let's go, bro.
Washers.
2020 Lexus
Let's
SUV
go.
on washers. Next vid, subscribe. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, Ryan, Danny, Emmy, and Danny's SUV back here with another video. Today, guys, Danny got 19-inch tri-spokes for his 2020 Lexus SUV. Danny, you want to tell us a little bit about your car?
It's a 2021 UX 200 Lexus.
Okay.
It's a compact SUV.
Damn, brand new, brand new.
Crossover.
Okay, that'll work.
Yeah.
Have you loved this thing so far?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Are you excited to get the wheels on it?
Yeah, I am.
And what did you get exactly for wheels?
I got Works RH Pro S3s, 19s, tri-spokes.
So Works version of the Advan what, Ryan? ADV. Oh.
I think it's the SA3.
Yeah. SA3s?
SA3Rs. So I had those for the LS, but I sold the LS before I could put them on. So.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, good, man. Let's go take a look at the wheels, and they're going on the car, right?
Yeah, today.
Let's do it, man. And here are the tri-spokes. I think they're pretty sick, dude.
I actually like them a lot.
I think they're pretty sick. Danny said he got these for like $1,000, and we also got his tires as well. We're gonna be getting these mounted at Discount Tire, and then I think, Danny, are we come back here to put them on the car, or are we gonna go to my house?
Likely. I got a jack.
Good deal, man. I am beyond ready. I like this black and chrome look because that's the whole your car. It's white and black with chrome.
At first, I thought I wouldn't like it, but I mocked it up and it looked fire.
Dude,
like
I'm
the black and chrome.
I'm beyond excited. Hopefully, you guys are too. We're gonna load these up and go to Discount.
Pretty sure these are.
Here are Danny's lugs. He says they're real 326. I don't know if they're reps or not. I just haven't. Maybe it's a new design.
Type of guy to call out rip lugs.
Maybe it's a new design, man. We'll see. Either way, dude, the purple's gonna look sick. Danny, you ready to get these things loaded up and on the damn car?
I don't think everything will fit. Maybe if not, we'll put in your car.
I was gonna say, I have a wagon. We good. Ryan, you ready?
No.
Emmy? Do you care if I do it?
Oh yeah, Ryan can do it.
All right, cool. That's loud.
That was anticlimactic.
I know. Huh? You cracked it. There's a tear in it.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. Right here.
I was just saying, but.
That is gunshot.
To start like a throw. That was a little far, man. Little far. All right. See you guys at Discount Tire. Hey Ryan, you ready? Imagine, bro.
Compared to what I usually run. You're also dry rotted.
Hey, well, it's used. No.
Oh, they're used. Okay, I was like.
All right, we've made it to Discount. We just went back and got the valve stems. They're putting it on, and then we're going back to the house. I'm so excited to see these things on the car.
And then
Brian?
we're going for boba.
And then we going for boba. Boba.
I had a.
Damn, dude, they look good. Danny, what do you think? What do you think?
I'm hoping it looks decent with stock height.
I agree. I think, you know, that's not a super meaty tire compared to stock.
I got spacers too.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. So Danny has 18s on the car right now. These are 19s. I think it'll be all right without a little bit of low for right now. We're gonna find out though. We are headed back to the house to put these on the car, and that's gonna be it.
See, those are not.
So first Danny couldn't find his little wheel lock key. Now he doesn't have a 22mm for the rest of the lugs. We're working on it, all right? But these things are actually so clean as a wheel. Are they new, Danny, or were they just refinished? They're brand new. Dear God. I cannot wait to see these things on the car. I think it's gonna be awesome. And I really like the black and chrome look that matches the trim of the car very, very well. So I'm hyped. So we got Danny and we got Danny 2.0. Matching white Lexus's Lexi. Damn. Dude, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm literally so sweaty right now. So is Danny.
I'm dying.
Danny is, I think we're all dying. Yeah. Emmy's the only smart one sitting over there in the shade. I've been sitting here putting these little caps on his lug nuts. And Danny's getting ready to put the spacer on. This is actually gonna take so long, dude. Let's
Because I gotta do it one at a time.
speed this up, bro. Speed this up.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
I just sat here and put all these little lids on, only for Danny to realize he doesn't
Look how
want
much
these.
Stick out.
Yeah, they
Oh my god, bro.
Straight out of Fast and Furious, bro. Now he's putting these on.
So
If anybody wants these, dude, I got you. 150 bucks for real, for real. Hit me up, and I will ship these to you, plus shipping. They've never touched a socket. All right, Danny.
19.
Danny, how you feeling about this right now?
It looks like those Maybachs.
How you feeling right now, Danny?
Reverse squat.
Reverse squat right now with the 19s?
Oh, it's like 836 right now.
Oh my god, dude, we need to get some low on this thing ASAP, Danny. Listen, I got an ankle grinder back at the house, all right? Danny is
I
now
hate my life.
Danny is now putting the purple lugs
Not for sale.
not for sale. They're going back on the car on Danny's new donk Lexus.
Because these rounded it out.
Yeah,
Right
Danny
there.
stripped these old lugs.
These are from Amazon's.
They were
And-
from
They're
Amazon?
from Amazon. I didn't tell you?
No.
What?
That was like my Valentine's or Christmas gift.
Exposed.
Danny,
Valentine.
Behind her
cheap.
rep.
rep lugs, Danny.
I'm hurt.
I'm sorry.
Dang, dude, damn. Okay, Danny is on the second wheel now after 1 hour of messing with that one.
Welcome to my life.
Welcome to TMZ Cribs with Danny.
This happens on my IS, my Cedric, my LS.
All right, Danny, whenever you're ready, man. Tri-spokes on the Lexus SUV.
Wait, I gotta go take a nap. Hold on.
Danny, he's gonna take a nap in your wheel gap, dude. All right, Danny, on a real note, from over here, it doesn't look bad. Like, this is gonna be like a 15-footer car. You know, 10, 15-footer car looks good from 10, 15 feet. Braden, what do you think?
I don't answer questions.
He needs coils, man. He needs coils.
All he needs.
All right, dude. I really don't mind it. Like, I was joking with him, 10, 15 feet, tri-spokes look good. It definitely needs some low. I will show you guys the other side, and I will let you guys make the decision whether you like the stocks for right now without the low, or if you like the tri-spokes. I like the tri-spokes. There's still wheel gap on both sides, but to me it just looks so much better. Also, fitment wise,
Not bad.
no, it's gonna be awesome, dude. Once he lowers a little bit, get a little bit of natural camber, call it a day. Danny is now on the third wheel,
And I still
another
hate
hour
my
later. Huh?
I still hate my life.
Danny still hates his life for the update. Also, those lugs are not for sale anymore. He went and got tuner lugs. So
Wait, they're
sorry for the
not-
confusion.
Not for sale.
Yeah, they're not for sale, not.
So they're for sale.
They're for sale.
Oh yeah, no, you're right. They're not on the car. And Danny is finally on the last wheel right now.
I'm missing a lug nut.
And we lost a lug nut somewhere in between all this stuff. I'm excited to see this thing rolling, Danny. We gotta get some rollers. I found it. Let's go surprise Danny.
Oh, my friend hooked it up.
Yeah.
Dude, you look like some brickage.
Where was it?
It's in the grass.
Nice.
Grassy ass.
All right, Danny. What do you think of the car so far?
It's not bad. Definitely needs more low. That's coming at some point.
But so far, you liking the tri-spokes on the SUV?
I do.
Honestly, dude, I think it looks sick. I think it's gonna look 10 times better, like you said,
With
when you
all
get
the
the coils.
wheels on, it doesn't look as donk.
Dude, it really does not.
That's kinda weird.
That's what I was saying earlier, like a 10, 15 footer. From here, dude, it looks fine, especially on camera. Low will come. Hell yeah, dude.
Then I'm gonna wrap the hood and roof black
Okay,
because I've seen some people in Japan do that.
Mhm.
It looks pretty sick.
that's gonna be
Really
awesome, dude.
Then like lip and side skirts.
Get some arrow going on.
Yeah, it's just expensive as.
I'm sure for a 2020 Lexus, dude.
Oh, the
Yeah.
mirrors, they want what? Like 600 bucks?
The
the
something
mirror
like that
caps.
for mirror caps.
Dear
Just the
God,
cap.
dude.
With the
Listen, I got
But
some.
I found some for like 160. So. Or
I was
something.
gonna say, dude, I got black vinyl at home. We can spend 20 minutes. Good, man. It looks awesome. Looks so good.
Dude, yeah, even this garnish piece.
How much were these?
This was $400
Wait.
just for these two. Yeah, because it's Tom's.
Dear God,
That's not
dude.
even. That's
I give up. I'm quitting cars. Dang,
Angles,
dude, that looks
bitch.
kind of good. Oh, there it is. Damn, rollers. Wheel just comes off completely. Dude, rolling, this thing looks fire. He's gonna be so happy.
That actually does look really good.
Oh my god, is there like a suspension in the car? Like it goes lower or higher?
It looks so good.
I was about to say.
Danny, finishing up. This thing looks so good. Next move? Next move?
Coils?
Yeah,
Washers.
I think so. Let's go, bro.
Washers.
2020 Lexus SUV on washers. Next vid. Subscribe. I'm just kidding. Dude, shout out to Danny. Tossing the tri spokes on this thing. Looks great. That's going to be it. This has been Fitz, Braden, Danny, Emmy, Felipa. Back here with another video. And Ryan. We'll see you guys in the next one.